We get to be a smuggler with Han Solo. Is Han Solo? Where's Han Solo?
How does he make money if you're betting on fathers, huh?
Well, I'm pretty sure vacation days are part of the employment package.
Oh.
We'll talk later. Hello, my friend. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you... Yes, as merely you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits.
Oh, hello. You're a pilot, and so am I. We're pilots.
Right, this way. I need my 2 pilots first. I'll collect those credentials.
There you go.
Perfect.
Oh, okay. Come on in. Guess we get to go in.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
We don't have much time. Please find your seats quickly and buckle your seatbelts.
For your safety,
Thank
remain
you.
seated and supervise young ones.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Here we are, Violet.
Wow.
Your seatbelts buckle from the outside to the middle. Make sure nothing gets between the seatbelt and your lap. Cargo can go at your feet or in the pouches to your sides. Pilots, when you're ready, pull up on the yellow straps with me, please. And ma'am, can you please remove your backpack?
Sure.
Thank you. Left and right controls. Down and up. Gunners, pull up on the yellow straps with me, please. Thank you.
Better now.
And
Time is
engineers,
money.
pull on the yellow straps. Thank you. Turn on controls, push your flashy buttons, everyone. Listen to Hondo's directions. Did a good run.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
Here we go.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right,
go up.
pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. What's it? Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
The booster.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Hit it! Hit it!
There's the train. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked on to us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineer, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, got it. Shoot the cargo free. Left pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell them. Oh, God. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down.
Whoa, down.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost.
Up
We
there.
made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrivers fail. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Who is right? If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the one.
Whoa. Up.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve
Whoa.
1 container of Covaxia. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
Hot shot.
Good job, Hot Shot.
All right,
What'd you think, Violet? Woohoo! All right. Made a few special modifications of my own. That was fantastic. Really loved it. He's coming this way. Watch out. He's heading this way.
You have ambition, young one. In the First Order, that can be rewarded.
Jessica, hurry up. Right here.
You may go.
That was pretty fantastic. Well, that ride was fantastic. Wasn't sure if I was doing the right thing there, and it was kind of hard to keep it centered with the camera with all that action going on. But anyway, definitely worth riding. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have a most rockin' day.
You may go.